Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different leave-in conditioners that you can use in your hair to help with hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So for these 3 leave-in conditioners, the main ingredient is going to be aloe vera juice, and I'm going to be using aloe vera juice that comes in the bottle because I always get questions about if you can use the aloe vera juice that comes in the bottle. So I'm just going to show you guys 3 easy simple recipes that you can use to help with hair growth using aloe vera juice that comes in the bottle. So I'm going to be using this aloe vera juice. The brand is Lily of the Desert, and it is preservative free, and I got this from Vitamin Shop, but I'll definitely leave a link down in the description box, and you can also get it from Whole Foods, Walmart, basically any type of grocery store. So for the first leave-in conditioner, you're going to need aloe vera juice as well as rose water. If you don't have rose water, you could definitely use dry rose petals, and you can add that into the mason jar. This part isn't really necessary. You could just go ahead and put these 2 combinations into your spray bottle and go ahead and spray it onto your hair. I was just putting it into the mason jar just for the video. But the benefits of using aloe vera juice is that it helps repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions the hair. When it comes to rose water, it improves hair growth. The vitamins A, B3, C, and E of rose water promotes the growth of your hair by nourishing the scalp and promoting hair growth. The second leave-in conditioner is going to contain aloe vera juice as well as dry rosemary leaves. If you don't have dry rosemary leaves, you could definitely use rosemary oil. And the benefits of rosemary is that it improves hair thickness and hair growth. Rosemary is a great choice thanks to its ability to improve cellular generation. So for the third leave-in conditioner, you're just going to need aloe vera juice, fenugreek seeds, and dry hibiscus flowers. And when it comes to fenugreek seeds is great in treating a variety of scalp issues such as dryness, baldness, and hair thinning. The seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster and bounce to your hair. Hibiscus can help boost hair growth. It is rich in amino acids that nourish your hair, strengthens your roots, and keeps your hair healthy and strong. The flower stimulates hair regrowth from dormant follicles and bald patches. So I'm just going to place the lid back on the mason jar, and then I'm just going to give the mason jar just a little shake so that way all the ingredients can blend in together. And then I'm going to allow this to sit overnight, as well as the rosemary leave-in. I'm going to allow that to sit overnight. And like I said previously, the rosemary and aloe vera juice, that one's already set to go. You don't need to have that sit overnight. So now it's the next day, and these leave-in conditioners are ready for use. So all you're just going to need is a strainer or a sieve or a stocking cap or a cheesecloth, whatever you have that's handy. And you're just going to place the leave-in conditioner into a spray bottle. Now these leave-in conditioners, I would suggest placing them in the refrigerator when they're not being used, and they will last 30 to 45 days. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I like to use the leave-in conditioner on my hair. I recently just took out some braids I had in for 4 months. If you guys haven't checked out those videos, I have a takedown video, a wash day routine, as well as a styling routine. If you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link all of that in the description box, as well as the ingredients that were used in this video. There'll be links down in the description box as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a section of my hair and I'm just going to spray it all over that section. I don't want it to be like soaking wet, but just I would say a little bit more than damp. And then I'm just going to seal that with either an oil, or I'm going to seal it with some type of butter. So after I apply this butter to my hair to seal in the moisture, I'm just going to twist up that section and continue to do the same process throughout my entire hair. And I would do this at least twice a week. I feel like that's what works best for me. Let me know in the comment section which one of these recipes you guys plan on using, or which one of these you already are using. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.